Hello children, today we are going to begin with lesson number 30, that is perimeter and area. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. What it is? Boundary. Boundary of any figure. The length of the boundary of any figure, we call it as perimeter. See, the length of the boundary of any plane figure is called as perimeter. Raghav loves walking in the park. He starts from a point and after completing one round comes back to the same point. The distance covered by him in the total length around the park is called perimeter. Ritu wants to paste a ribbon all around the painting which she has made. Okay, she has made the painting. She wants to put the ribbon. The total length of the ribbon she requires is the total length around the painting, that is outside. That is called as perimeter. The length of the boundary of any plane figure is known as its perimeter. In simple words, the sum of the length of the sides of the plane figure is the perimeter. We use P to represent perimeter. Next, that is activity 1. See, this thing you have to do it yourself in the textbook. Look into your school bags and your classroom. Find the perimeter of the following using a ruler. That means a big scale you need to take and measure the maths book. That maths book, how are you going to measure? You are going to take the textbook as well as the scale. You are going to measure from the outside. Add all the 4 and then you will get perimeter of the given textbook. Then pencil box, whichever the shape you are having, suppose it is thick or thin, you have to measure by using the scale. Now the desk is not available, so leave it. Then tiffin box, you can check it. Use the ruler, begin from the 0 and measure. And the next is school diary. School diary, last year's if you have, you use it and find it out. The length of the napkin or handkerchief. Already it is available at home, use it and find by adding all the 4 sides. Write down in one page and fill the answer. See it, all the figures, that is all what about they have asked maths textbook, that is in the form of rectangle, pencil box, it depends which one you are having. Okay, then tiffin box, square you take and measure. Those are having regular shapes so that you can easily measure the length. Whereas in the next, perimeter of irregular shape. Let us take the leaf. How are you going to measure its perimeter? That we can't keep the scale and measure the sides. So at that time what you are going to do? Take the thread, begin from here, take a round and then complete in both the sides. Okay, got the thread till here. Then open the thread and measure it on the scale. You will get the length of the leaf. To find the perimeter of irregular things such as leaves, we use a simple string. String is nothing but the thread. Using a string to cover the entire boundary of the leaf. Now measure the length of the string with a ruler. Then activity 2, do it yourself. See, the picture is given. Measure it first with the thread, then with the help of the ruler measure how much length the color palette is having. Similarly, do it for bangle as well as the hand. Write it down. Then the next one is perimeter of regular shapes. Which are we are going to get in the regular shapes? Let us see. Perimeter of a triangle. A triangle is closed figure made up of 3 line segments which are its sides. See, this is the triangle and it is having 3 sides. How many? 3. Perimeter of triangle is equal, triangle ABC will be the sum of length of the three sides, that is AB how much, BC how much, and CA. If you add together, you are going to get the perimeter of the triangle. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Triangle has 3 sides. So, 3 sides are given. One is 4, 5 and 6. So, we have to add. Write down the formula. Perimeter of triangle is equals to AB plus BC plus CA, and then write down 4 cm plus 5 cm plus 6 cm. If you add all these three, you are going to get 15 cm. 15 cm is what? It is perimeter. Perimeter is the boundary of the figure. Let us take perimeter of an equilateral triangle. In triangle, we have three types, that is equilateral, isosceles and scaling. A triangle with all the sides equal is called as equilateral. Equal is nothing but all the sides are same, A, B and C. So, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into sides. All the three sides will be equal. Suppose if AB is 2 centimeters, BC will be 2 and CA will be 2 centimeter. 3 is sides into how much is the given measurement, that is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, that you write and multiply. Instead of doing 3 plus 3 plus 3 3 times, you can do 3 into 3. Second example, the side of an equilateral triangle is 9 cm. Find its perimeter. See in the short wave, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equals to 3. Why? Because equilateral triangle has 3 sides and one side is given, that is 9 cm. 3 into 9, 3 9s are 27. So, 27 cm. Next, perimeter of a square. See, what is a square? A square is a simple closed figure made up of 4 line segments which are its sides. All the sides of the square are equal in length. So, formula is you can do either perimeter of a square AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, or you can write perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into sides. Square has 4 sides and each side is how much, that you need to write because all are equal. Example number 3. Find the perimeter of a square field of its side 24 centimeter. That means one side is 24 centimeter and square has 4 sides. So, that we are going to multiply. Perimeter of a square is a formula is equals to 4 into sides. 4 are the sides and one side is 24. If you multiply, you will get 96 meter. Then example number 4. The perimeter of a square is 120 meters. Find the length of the side of the square. See, they have found total perimeter and they are asking you to find the each side. So, how are you going to do? Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into sides. It's a regular. Whereas to find the side, what are you going to do? Side of a square, now it gets changed, is equals to perimeter divided by 4. What is the perimeter given here? 120. 120 divided by 4, you will get 30. It is one side. 30 meter is the length of one side of the square. Next one is perimeter of a rectangle. What is rectangle? It is a simple closed figure made up of 4 lines. Here we have 4 lines, but they are opposite sides are equal in length. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Perimeter of rectangle, 4 sides A, B, C, D. Either you can write AB plus BC plus AB plus BC, or 2 into AB plus 2 into BC. Why? Opposite sides are equal. So, same time it gets repeated. So, we are writing 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. See, this is length and this is breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B is the formula. So, let us do one example. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the breadth is 16 centimeter. See, L 40 centimeter. Always it will be bigger in length, whereas breadth little smaller as compared to length, 16 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Length is equals to how much given? 40 centimeter. Breadth is equals to 16 centimeter. Write down the formula. It is written already. Then place the number 2 according to formula. Put the bracket. What is the length given here? 40 centimeter. 40 plus 16 is equals to how much? 40 plus 15 will be 56. It gets multiplied by 2. If you add, you will get 112 centimeters. Then activity 3. See, find the perimeter of the following figures. Figures are given. You have to just add all the sides. 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. You will get the perimeter. Similarly, you have to add all the measurement. You will get the total. You have to do it for this in the notebook. See, according to the first figure, 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 added, it becomes 19 centimeter. In the second figure, it becomes 20 centimeter. Like this, you need to complete the first exercise of activity 3. What is the second question? Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are. Triangle, they have given 8 centimeters, 7 centimeter and 11 centimeters. All the 3 sides are different. Perimeter of triangle of sum of 3 sides. AB plus BC plus CA. This formula when are you going to use? When all the 3 sides are having different measurement. Place the number 8 plus 7 plus 11, you will get 26. Similarly, do it for 21 centimeter, 24 and 30. All the 3 measurements are given. All the 3 are different. So, at that time, place the formula. Perimeter of triangle is equals to AB plus BC plus CA. Add it, you will get the answer 75. Similarly, do the C. Then next, find the perimeter of area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 15 centimeter long. See, first thing perimeter, that means boundary. Then which type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. One side is how much? 15 centimeter, whereas triangle has 3 sides. First point, equilateral means all are 15 each. 15, 15 and 15. So, write down the formula. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into sides. Triangle, 3 sides into the side 1 they have given, you have to write. Side is equals to 15. So, according to the formula, if you write 3 into 15, you are going to get 45 as perimeter. The next one, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter. Find the side of the equilateral triangle. Total they have given what? Perimeter they have found. Perimeter of a equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter. What did they ask you to find? Find the side of an equilateral triangle. One side you need to find. Perimeter of triangle is equals to 36. We don't know the side. Side is equals to question mark. Regularly we used to write perimeter of triangle is equals to 3 into side. But now we are going to change it. Side is equals to perimeter divided by 3. Perimeter is 36 centimeters they have given, and 3 it is according to the formula because triangle has 3 sides. See, division is done. You will get the answer as 12. So, each side is 12 centimeter. Then, find the perimeter of a square whose side is. One side if they have given, and you need to find perimeter. Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side, that is formula 4 because 4 sides and the side they have given the question. A. If one side is 14 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of a square. 4 into 14, if you multiply, you will get 56. Question B, if it is 36 centimeter one side, the full length of a square, 4 sides, 35 into 4, it will be 140 centimeters. Similarly, do for C and D. The perimeter of a square cloth is 220 centimeter. Find the length of the side of the square cloth. See what they have given, perimeter. Perimeter itself is 220 centimeter. And what they said, square. If they say square, we have to find for 4 sides. If they say triangle, we have to find for 3. Square is equals to 4 sides. Perimeter of a square is equals to 220 centimeter. Write down the formula. Regular perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into sides to find the perimeter. But now we have to find side. So bring side out is equals to perimeter of a square divided by 4. So how much is the given there? 220 centimeters. 220. See, it is, when you divide, you will get 55 centimeter. One side is 55 centimeter. That means all the 4 sides will be 55 plus for 4 times. You will get 220. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides they have given. Length is equals to 24 centimeter and the breadth is equals to 17 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B is the formula. 2 according to the formula, it never changes, it will be 2 itself into. What is the length? Length given is 24. 24 plus 17 the breadth. See, 24 plus 17 it will be 41. 2 into 41 if you do, it will be 41 into 2, it will be 82. Sorry, it should be